Dakjing temu bon kenti ka kot ka khia khamtam na ka banta ki khana puli hak arp artrik risau arja arpway na kalyang ka National Health Mission haringkat ka jinge trelang bat ka District Mission Coordinator Ribhoy District la plie ka SSA-SEMAM District Level School Health and Wellness Ambassador ka wala penlong ha Parish Hall Nongpo. Ya kani program la plat pat ba dak Deputy Commissioner Jong Ribhoy District ka kong RM Kurba ha ka jinge don lang Joint Director Jong District School Education and Literary Uba VS Nongbat ka District Medical Health Officer ka Dr. Mary Sim Lee ka Dr. Alisha Sim kinong hikai ringkat bat ki khana school. Ha kani ka sngi la samru ik khusnam she kinong hikai bat ki khana school ki bla yo ra ya kanam la do ha ka jinge shimanda ha ki drama ki jinge kop thop ba pair bat ki wei.
Departments in the government are usually working in isolation. But coming to this point, looking at the situation that we are in, we are an aspirational district. We aspire to be better, to be like other districts, even within the state. Okay? Aspirational district means that we are lagging behind. So that's why it gives us this other kind of methodology, the way to work forward for each one of us. All the departments, I'll tell you, in Ribhoy District, we work as a team. And that's why you have heard what Dr. Alisha has mentioned, that we have been able to train those teachers right from class 6 to 12. Right? Whereas in other districts, the target is being given only from 9 to 12. So you can understand the importance that the government is giving to Ribhoy, and especially when we go and assess, like Norbert has just mentioned, that when we assess the maths and science performance of the student, we are lagging behind. Even when the Niti Ayog CEO sir has visited our district, he had a conversation with some of the teachers in Sidon village. Over there, he has mentioned one thing: learning outcome. You know, we are not following up with the learning outcome of students. At present, training is still going on for the teachers to evaluate how much a student has learned. You know that right from KG till class 10, there is a syllabus. Okay? How much a student has learned for a specific class within a specific, specific timeline, specific lessons that students should learn. This is not happening in our district. So we are very, we really have to push ourselves, not only the heads of the district here, but also the students, the teachers, the parents.
You have got a training, especially from the teacher, as a health and wellness ambassador. So this training, you have to motivate the children, so that our children, they will not scare anymore in mathematics and science. So this year and last year also, we have not seen that our students from the district will achieve 100% or maybe 90% about in math and science. But this year I am very happy. Two children, they have scored 100% in physical health and education. So maybe they are physically fit. So this is very important. It is our teamwork from education department and also from the health department, so that we can achieve the target. We know that health is very important. And every time we used to talk in school, children, they need to be physically and mentally fit. Why we have to say this? Because without good health, in good condition, our children cannot concentrate. That's why we have a lot of programs. We have a nutrition, we have a midday meal, so we have also a tobacco free in education center. A lot of programs we have done. Our motive from education is that to improve the learning outcome of our children, so that they can shine up, so that they can score a very good mark in mathematics and science. Very, very sad to say that we are weak in mathematics. And even those who pass in this River district in class 10, we are not behind in math and science. Most of them, they fail in mathematics. I don't know, they are scared of what, maybe teachers also, they are scared to teach mathematics. But remember, if you are physically fit, you should not scare. Don't scare about mathematics, but you have to scare about how our brain can function.